Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Planning Center tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Planning Tutorial? Planning Tutorial is a suite of online tools for churches covering services for planned worship services and scheduled volunteers, people for churches database or CRM, on giving for online tithes and donations, check-ins, and groups registrations and calendars, and more. Now on getting started, first sign up or log in to your account. Choose the apps modules your church needed. Now, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Each module is a separate tool but all link under your main account. Next, Planning Center People or CRM tool. Add or import people. Go to people, then add person. You can import a CSV for bulk entry. Track individual info like name, contact, family, background checks, and custom fields. Next, create list or workflows. And workflows. Use lists to segment people, either new visitors or youth group. Then use workflows for follow-up, for first-time guest process. Now Planning Center services for worship planning. First, create a service plan. Go to Services, Plans, and New Plan. Set date, time, and location. Add service elements, sermon, songs, announcements, and transitions. Now, add people and schedule teams. Create a teams like worship bands, tech, and ushers. Then assign people to each position for each week. And then volunteers can confirm or decline via email or mobile app. Now add songs and attach files. Use the songs library to manage lyrics, keys, and arrangements. Upload chord charts, audio, or video files for your team. Now on Planning Center Giving. Set up giving. Connect a bank account and configure giving options. Create funds for general missions and building. And enable online giving via link or embed on your website. Now to track donations. View donor profiles, recurring giving, and statements. Export reports for finance or accounting. Now on Planning Center check-ins. Set up stations. Used for kids ministry, events, or attendance. Then set up check-in stations and print labels for safety and track attendance. Planning Center groups and registrations. Use groups for Bible studies, classes, or small groups. Use registrations for events, retreats, or classes with sign-ups. Customize forms, payments, and check-in options. Now for communications, email or text people directly from Planning Center. Use Smart List to send targeted updates. And integrate with MailChimp or other platforms for newsletters. Now for mobile apps, download Planning Center services, check-ins, music stand, and people apps. Volunteers can access plans, accept scheduling, and view their roles. Now here are some pro tips for you. First, keep your people database clean and updated. Next, use templates in services for recurring service formats. Third, encourage staff and volunteers to use the mobile apps. And lastly, regularly review reporting and dashboards to spot trends and engagements. And that's basically it.